Hi everybody, Paul here again. For years I used a power lawn edger which used wheels and a metal blade to trim my sidewalk and driveway, but then I found that using my weed whipper did just as good a job, was faster, and I don't have to worry about it damaging the cement like it did with a power lawn edger. I've always used 80 thousandths diameter line on my weed whipper like you see here, which also has sharp cutters built into the line. This has always given me excellent results. Now watch as I edge this sidewalk by tilting the weed whipper approximately 90 degrees so that the line cuts vertically along the edge of the cement. Always be sure to wear eye protection when using a weed whipper. As you can see, it does a really great job, and I've been doing it this way for years, so give it a try. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.